Basic anatomical terms. The term related positions. Medial sagittal plane. This vertical plane passes through the central of the body, divided into two equal sides and left halves. Planes situated one or another side of the median plane and parallel to the term pyramidon. A structure situated near to the medial plane of the body, then another is side to medial to the another. Similarly, a structure that lies further away from the medial plane than another is said as lateral to the other. Terms related to movement. Flexion. Flexion is the movement take place sagittal plane. For example, flexion of elbow. Extension means joint and usually take place in posterior direction. Lateral flexion movement of trunk is peroneal plane. Ad- Abduction is a movement of limb away from the midline of the body. Adduction Adduction limb toward the body into in the coronal plane. It is applied to speedily the structure and adduction is applied. Drawing together of these structure the movement of the thumb, which are literally more complex, are described. Rotation. Rotation is the term applied to movement of part of body around with the long axis. Medial rotation part of facing medially lateral rotation. It is movement that results in the anterior surface of the part facing laterally. Pronation and pronation of the forearm is the medial rotation of forearm in such a manner that is palm of the hand of lateral rotation of forearm from the pronative and so that the palm of hand comes to face interiorly. Circumduction is the combination is sequence of the movement of the flexion, extension, adduction, and abduction. Protraction. Protraction is the movement forward, is movement backward, jaw of the temporomandibular joints. Inversion. The inversion is the movement of the foot so that the sole faces in the middle direction. Inversion is the opposite movement of the foot so that the sole faces in the lateral direction. Basic structures. The skin. The skin is divided into two parts. The superficial part is dermis and the deep part is epidermis and the deep part is dermis. Epidermis is stratified thalamic whose cells become flattened and rise from the surface on the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. Epidermis externally thick. Superficial fascia. Skin crust.